Ooh. Ah. Ugh. Yeah, it's late, 12:30 at night, and I finally have time to work on my own shit. This is just how it goes when you have a shop and you do a lot of friends' cars, you know? Anyways, tonight I have to get this all sanded down, prepped out, ready for paint. Because I want to have this thing painted and installed this weekend. I'm tired of my car being down, you know? So, but before we get to that, I just want to talk to you guys and say, subscribe to my channel. I am out here every single night. I'm going to put a video up every single week, and I have a lineup of builds to do. So if you don't want to miss what I'm working on, you know, hit that subscribe button and visit me every single week. All right, let's get to work.
Perfect. Perfect.
And that is what 45 minutes looks like. It is sanded. It is ready for sealer, base coat, clear coat. The process that I took on this is I sanded it, I blocked it down with 400 grit. I use a different assortments of blocks just to match the contours. Then I take a dual action sander to it, and it has what they call an interface pad on. The interface pad is just like this spongy pad that you put in between your sandpaper and the DA, and what it does is it matches the contour of the fender, just so you don't burn through or distort anywhere that you just blocked. So, and I use the 800 grit sandpaper on that. What the 800 grit does is it takes out all my 400 grit block marks, and it's still aggressive enough for base coat to stick to it, and still fine enough to where clear coat can fill the scratches. So with this whole panel final sanded at 800 grit, I shouldn't run into any issues of clear sinking into the sand scratches and causing issues in my gloss later down the road. So, all right, let's knock this bumper out.
Perfect.
Oh yeah, that went a lot quicker because I used a DA the entire time, you know. The bumpers sit so low, it's going to be one of many times that I fix it, so I really didn't care about blocking this part. You know, of course the fender, which is, you know, at a better level of the eye, you can kind of pick up a wave, but I'm not scared to have a wave down there. This is going to be one of many times that I fix this, so good enough for now. Well, anyways, it is late, I'm tired, I'm ready to hit the sack. I got work in the morning. and ready to go. Spraying this combination of colors. We got a gunmetal gray, we got a bright red. It's gonna be kind of tricky, so the way I gotta do it. Hopefully it's not gonna ruin anything, but I'm gonna spray the white first, my white base to make the red pop. You always, reds look really good with the white underneath of it. I'm gonna spray that first, get that drying, and then I'm gonna do my gray. And then I'm gonna let my gray dry, and then I'm gonna turn the whole bumper and stand around, because this booth is technically like a cross draft, but the way I do the filters here, these filters are kind of old cloth, so it pulls really good from the bottom, and I can get a nice, from the top to the bottom, draft in here to help pull the water out of the paint to make it dry, and also to keep the temperature down, keep the temperature that's coming to the top, get it down onto my panels. So, all right, let's get this sprayed. We just finished up with the gray for my buddy's bumper. What we're going to do here is turn it around. That way any overspray that comes flying through kind of like whips over and the main part of the bumper. This with one more coat, and then we'll be clearing all this. Looking good. Look at that. Alright, first coat down. There's 2 more to go. I'm going to do 3 coats just because I'm going to wet sand and buff it and just make sure I got a good thickness on there so I have a chance to burn it through. Cool. Okay, everything looks pretty good. A couple small pieces of dirt, I expect, spraying in a booth like this, but really not that bad. So my body work looks really good. My body line looks really good. This one looks really good, so I'm pretty happy with it. Over here looks really good too. A couple pinholes here and there, but good enough for the kind of car this car is. So, all right, well. let's shut it down and get these parts on the car in the morning. I'm probably gonna wake up my neighbors. Alright, we're back. Got the car in the shop. Hoping I didn't wake the neighbors too bad. So another late night session. It's now 11:30. You guys are probably wondering why I work so late at night. Because I got a full-time job, I got a family, and I wait till I get my kids to bed, you know? I'm kind of doing it this way for like 8 years. Anyways, let's go see what these parts look like. They should be dry. Really good, except for that is a giant mosquito eater. Hopefully it'll wet sand out. I might do that real quick. Bumper looks really good. Couple pieces of dirt here and there. No sags, no runs, which is even better. It's awesome. I'm excited. I can't wait to put it on. Color match looks pretty good. Definitely depth there. And I got pretty good wheel gap under there. I'm gonna put a light under there. Probably still looks tight to you guys, but it's a lot better than it was. I mean, it was sitting right on there, so everything looks really good. Next step, I have an issue here. My funky little headlight. The weld broke on my little bracket that I made. I actually made this bracket from an old fender, so I'm going to pop that out of there and hit it with a couple welds and see what happens. This is actually the original fender of the car. The fender usually came over top, and with those fiberglass fenders, it didn't have anything on the inside like this to hook this up, so I had to like cut it out of the old fender. Tack weld right there that was holding this thing together, and I guess through a lot of vibrations it finally popped off. So. And there we have it.
Finally complete.
Ish. Still need to polish her up. Couple pieces of dirt in the bumper. This big old bug that I got right there. But she is good to go. Alright. Well, that's it for now. I am going to get some rest, edit this video, and get it out to you guys. So we'll see you next time. Like I said, every week, man, hit that subscribe button and see what I got going on.